In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google phone dialer from the new style back to the old style. The latest update was rolled out in the late August 2025, and while Google calls it a redesign, most users are calling it frustrating. If you hate the new look and just want the classic dialer back, then this video is for you. And if you find this guide useful, like, share and subscribe. With that being said, let's dive in. So now to begin, go ahead and open your Play Store application. So after opening your Play Store application, now click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on Settings. Now here under Settings, you select Network Preference. Now choose Auto Update Apps. So guys, here make sure you select Don't Auto Update Apps. Then you click on OK. Now go back. Now this time, click on the search icon here at the bottom. Now search phone by Google. Now select the application. Now click on those three dots in the top right corner. Then make sure you disabled auto update. After doing that, the next step, you need to go back and locate the phone by Google. Now tap and hold after locating it. Then select App Info. Now click on Storage and Cache. Now make sure you clear both storage and cache. As you can see. Now exit the application. Now the next step is to reopen it. And by doing that, the old interface will be restored. So that's how to change the Google phone dialer from the new style back to the old style. So if you found this guide useful, like, share, subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.